Hi, I'm Fiona Fernandez, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Pyrmont, Sydney, Australia. And there's my details if you want to go to my website, fionafernandez.stampinup.net. So I just finished a card class today, and I do them online on Zoom, some of them. We just use the hills of Tuscany. So that stamp set is retiring very soon, 30th of April. And so if you want to grab one of those, make sure you pop over to the website and grab yours so you don't miss out. And these are the cards I did in my class today. So I'll do another little video too to show the end result of the class, which is always fun. So my next class is in May, booked for the 26th of May. It's a Sunday afternoon, 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock in Sydney time. And like I said, it's on Zoom, so you can do it from home. And if you don't have all the things that I use, you can just use what you do have. And yeah, connect with me if you'd like to know more about that. So I'll catch you later. Ciao.